Hey, Daily Dave community! This fun Friday, we're tackling the screen time dilemma with a twist. Instead of kids zoning out in front of screens, let's engage Gregory and Gabriel in a fun indoor challenge that combine learning and responsibility. Household chores or tasks. It can be more than just mundane duties. They can be an opportunity for kids to learn responsibility, develop life skills, and have fun doing it. Gregory and Gabriel can even team up to tackle bigger tasks. Not only does this approach help manage household chores, but it also fosters a sense of accomplishment and responsibility in our children.